Hey my YouTube loves, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with an exciting video. I want to give away. So really excited. I want to give away on Kraliks Journey channel. I'm going to link her channel in the description box below. But this is Shelly's channel. Hey Shelly girl, get your packet. So I received a packet a couple of days ago, but I'm just getting right to recording a video. But I wanted to show you guys what I won in my very first giveaway. I was so excited when I got in the mail. It was kind of, I don't know, it was kind of open like this when I got it, Shelly. So if anything got lost, I'm sorry, but it was kind of open when I got it. But I received her giveaway. She just came off the Carnival Vista back in July. She left actually the same day I left, June 30th. And the funny story out there, guys, I was actually going to book the Carnival Vista for June 30th for my family cruise. We wound up booking the Magic because we wanted to leave out of Orlando. But initially, we were supposed to be on the Vista, and I could have met Shelly. So I haven't met her yet, but I do love her channel. I enjoy her channel. I watch her vlogs pretty much every day right now. I think she's a wonderful person. Her family is amazing. So, hey, guys. Got a fan over here. Love your channel. So again, thank you for my things that I received in my giveaway, Shelly. The first one I received was this little box right here from Pier 1 Imported. Ooh. And put that inside the box. This gorgeous plate. And what I'm using for this is I'm going to take at night, because I don't like sleeping in my rings. So I'm going to take my rings off and leave them on a plate like that. You see my ring? One of my rings. On the side of my bed at night. So it's just like the side of my bed. Take my ring off, or my husband put a watch on there. But we're going to put our bedside jewelry by there so we can put it back on first thing in the morning. So that's what that is. And my other gift, which I got two gifts in the envelope, Shelly. So it was received like this. Hopefully nothing fall out. But this is a 4-year-old Luna Fufu. I hope I pronounced it right. But it is for your face. And so my daughter Kayla, already said she's going to steal this from me. So this is a gift from my baby Kayla. Right in time, Shelly, because she just celebrated her birthday. So we appreciate it. So thank you. And so she's going to take this. And I have been using my little plate that I received. So again, thank you so much for my gifts for the giveaway. This was gifts that she gave in her Carnival Vista cruise giveaway vlog. And I'm happy that I was one of the selected winners. I feel so lucky and blessed. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thanks again, Shelly, from the bottom of my heart. We truly, truly appreciate you taking time out to send us anything and to be a winner of your giveaway. Truly honor and privilege to win. But thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace, y'all.